Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Patio Heat channel, where we provide visual concepts of infrared heating as well as tips for outdoor comfort. Send your request into designs@patioheat.com for your personalized recommendations. Our one-on-one customer support helps you make the best decisions for your applications. We strive to earn your business. Visit our patioheat.com website for sales and more information. Now let's get heating. All right, so let's go over the dimensions of this outdoor patio structure. So overall dimensions we have is 25 feet by 15, and actually it's going to be 18 feet long to the outside edge here. But I have 15'9" to the center of the post to the structure itself. And then we have a height back here of about 9 feet off the finished floor. And here I have it at, I believe, 8'6" to the bottom edge here to the finished floor. And I think that's pretty much about it. Not quite sure what the seating position is. We do have some sliding doors here, so that's not an issue with regards to the placement of the heaters. But let's go ahead and look at a couple different options as far as placement of units. So one option would be to place some units over here. Now the height and the height of these windows, or I should say doors, and the beams up here, I'm not quite sure if this would really fit or not, but I just want to show how this would work as far as the placement's concerned and the footprint of heat. But you can see here we have a clearance back here of 6 inches here, and then 6 inches on top. These are SlimLine 4,000 watt units. SlimLine units have adjustable brackets for the ceiling mount. Why do I have it on the ceiling mount and not on the wall? The reason why I do that is because the bracket only allows a 45-degree angle, so the heater itself would be up about 15 more degrees, from this direction here. Be 15 degrees up higher if we had it on a wall surface mount like that. Same is true over here. Have these on the ceiling or on the beams themselves. And again, 6 inches of clearance behind. And then let's go ahead and look at the clearance here zone. So we have 6 inches on top, 6 inches on the back side. And again, 30-degree tilt inwards. If I placed it on this surface here, it would have to drop down a little bit more, as well as not be able to come down 30 degrees like it is showing right here. So let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. So I'm going to turn that off and turn the array on. So this is infrared light waves. Infrared light waves are invisible to the human eye. You don't see this orange glow here. You will see the orange glow on the actual elements themselves, but on as far as the light ray is concerned, you will not visually see that as a human. So you can see here the footprint of heat is fairly decent for this seating that I have arranged here. Now obviously we're missing the outer edge over here, and as well as the outer edge over here, but we're covering this space fairly decently. The ray here is going to be warmer than the ray, say, in the center of the patio. However, we do have crossover rays, so that might increase it enough to be comfortable here in the center as well. So this is 4 of the SlimLine 4,000 watt units. Let's go ahead and look at a different option. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that one off and look at an option of just using 2 4,000 watt units centered in the patio itself and pointed straight down to the ground. Again, the brackets can be maneuvered through the actual top of the unit. You can see there's a little T-joint here that allows the bracket here to slide back left and right. So you should have no problem with matching up to the structural beams on top. Let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat with just 2 units. 2 units, you can see that we're not really covering the whole entire space. Now, if this set of chairs here was not present and it was just over here, you can move the chairs up a little bit further and you could be in that ray, and that would work out fine. However, we're not heating up the whole entire patio with this set of 2 units. So let's go ahead and look at the third option, which is probably my preferred option, which is to use 4 of the SlimLine units and spacing them more centrally located, pointed straight down, so that the ray itself is more uniform throughout the whole entire span. So everything would be more uniformly heated. And let's go ahead and take a look at the distance apart from each other. And this distance apart from each other is going to be true on all the units that I showed so far. So let's go ahead and grab that. And you can see here we're at about 9 feet center to center. And as far as the distance from the edge on this particular application, you know, the other ones were just 6 inches away. And here the two of them were obviously centered in the patio. So this is 3'3" center to center. Excuse me, not center to center, but center to on the edge of the beam. And then as far as center to center is concerned, we are at 7 foot, and we'll go ahead and tap this as well just to see what that final number would be. Now, I do have a beam that goes across here on the back side, so I'm not quite sure exactly where that mounting, so this actual number might be a little bit off, but let's see if we can get that number right. Let me pop it up over here maybe. And yeah, we're at 5 foot 3 inches from this edge to the door edge. And the reason I have that too is because I figured that this is, you know, entry exit point over here, and you'd probably want to heat up more of the outer edge here than the edge closer to the entry exit points within the resident itself. So, but again, here is the probably best application out of all three. And this is the one I would probably recommend. So that would be 4 of the SlimLine 4000 watt units mounted on the ceiling. And again, the distance is apart 7 feet, 3 feet 3 inches to this edge here. And one other thing is just go ahead and look at what I actually have here as far as this measurement's concerned. So you have that information. I have it 2 foot 6 inches to the inside edge here. All right, well, I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application and you would like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Please tap that like button if you find this video useful. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.